Toyota's 2024 Tundra conquers the Texas Truck Rodeo, awarded the esteemed Truck of Texas's title by the Texas Auto Writers Association. And that's not all. The Grand Highlander took first place in the full-size SUV category. Meanwhile, Toyota Audio Multimedia bagged a feature award, and the iForce Max turbocharged hybrid secured the Best Powertrain award. Crafted at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Texas, Inc., the Tundra boasts a fully boxed chassis, a multi-link rear suspension, and a staggering tow rating of 12,000 pounds. Featuring the robust iForce powertrains, this beast excels in performance and efficiency. The hybrid iForce Max powertrain stands out, delivering a remarkable 437 horsepower and a massive 583 lb featuring of torque. Joe Moses. The Tundra is not just a truck, it's a Texan story, built in San Antonio. We're thrilled by the impact it has on the segment. This Tundra, born from Invincible, packs off-road tech, a new multimedia system, and groundbreaking towing technology. At this year's Texas Truck Rodeo, the Tundra ruled the rough terrain, leaving competitors in its dust. A proud moment, earning the prestigious Truck of Texas award, endorsed by the Texas Auto Writers Association. The 2024 Toyota Tundra, truly a force to reckon with.